Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Anana. Such a beautiful day outside, une belle journée, beaucoup de soleil. I hope you're having a happy day. I'm very happy that you joined my French class today. Can we have Anana join our class? Can you say bonjour Anana? Can you say it a little bit louder? Bonjour Anana. There she is, Anana. Ça va bien, Anana? Oui? You're saying bonjour to the friends? I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for joining me. Let's begin, mes amis. We're going to start by choosing une couleur, a color. Can you repeat the colors after me out loud? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. On va choisir orange aujourd'hui. Orange. So this series is called French with Anana, and this is lesson 3.4, E sound. Leçon 3.4, son I. Well, let's get started, Anana. Let's show the friends our first clue. Do you think you know what this picture is? Oh, it's a type of tree. Un palmier. Un palmier. Let's see if we can clap the syllables together. The French word for syllable is syllabe. Syllabe. So how many? Combien de syllabes? Palmier. Palmier. Deux syllabes. Palmier. Good job. Can you find the E sound in this word? Oui, bravo. There it is. Our clue is it's in red. La couleur rouge. Palmier. Let's say it again, but a little faster. Palmier. Bravo, les amis. Let's see what our next clue is. We're going to go slow. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est, Anana? What could this be? Oh, oui. It's a rug or a tapis. Tapis. Let's see if we can find how many syllables. Combien de syllabes in the word tapis? Tapis. Tapis. I heard deux syllabes. Tapis. Bravo. Can you find the E sound? Oui, there it is. Tapis. Can you say it with me again a little bit faster? Tapis. Good job. Let's go on to our next picture. There's your clue. Do you know what this picture is? Oh, oui. Bravo. These are called the skis. Ski. Let's see if we can count. Combien de syllabes? Ski. Let's try that again. Ski. Une syllabe. That's one syllable. Une syllabe. The S at the end, my friends, is silent. Shh, it doesn't say a sound. Ski. Can you repeat after me? Ski. Bravo. Let's move on. Find our next word. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, Anana? Oh, it's a book. The French word for book is un livre. Livre. And it's got a beautiful picture of a cat, un chat, on the cover. Livre. Can we clap that word? Livre. 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 Just one syllable. Livre. Can you find the E sound? Oui, bravo. Let's repeat that word together. Livre. Livre. And a little bit faster. Livre. That's it. Good job. Let's move on, mes amis. What is our next word? Oh, I can see the head of the animal. Je vois la tête. The head is la tête. I can see the head. Oh, look at, that's a very, very tall animal. Wow. This is called une girafe. Girafe. beautiful animal. Girafe. Combien de syllabes dans le mot girafe? Girafe. Girafe. 2. Girafe. Bravo. Can you find the EE sound? Oui, bravo. Girafe. Let's say it a little bit faster. Girafe. Bravo les amis. Let's move on. C'est une question. Here's our question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? What's in my bag? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Voici, Ananas, j'ai mon sac. Mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? C'est léger. It is light. C'est léger aujourd'hui. Est-ce que tu veux regarder dans le sac? On va regarder dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans... Oh, this is a word we just learned. It's the book. Un livre. Un livre. Wow, what a beautiful book avec un chat. Well, I hope you take the time today to have a nice break and read your favorite book. Thanks for joining me, les amis, and we'll see you next time in our next lesson. Au revoir. Can you say au revoir? Au revoir, Anana. Au revoir, madame. And I'm going to say au revoir, les amis. À bientôt.